by popular demand, it's yours truly, Mr. Fat's Variety Vibe Show, reactionary video take 2. Subject: do you trust paid demos? Patreon funded Leo James Residence X unboxing first impressions. Sparkly from 60 Cycle Hum. Warning: everything discussed herein is predicated upon my own personal opinion. Play the clip, Johnny.
Backed by popular demand, it's yours truly, Mr. Fat's Variety Vibes Show reaction video take 2. Subject: do you trust paid demos? Patreon funded Leo James Resonance X unboxing first impressions. Sparkly. After reviewing all the comments, it's my subjective opinion that many of the persons posting comments on said channel will agree with me. I personally don't trust anyone. I would never ever trust anyone with a YouTube guitar or music channel that is in the market for promotion or reviews. I don't trust anyone, so I don't care if they are paid or unpaid to produce a demo of anything. A demo, in my opinion, is an advertisement, so in my opinion it doesn't matter if the producer of the demo is paid or unpaid. The demo, in my opinion, has the same effect. Demos are marketing tools. In my opinion, it's best to buy a musical instrument in a real music shop, or from a retail store that allows us to first inspect the instrument before buying it. My local music shop gives me full access to all of their instruments. Folks, in my opinion, don't trust any YouTuber or influencer. If you want to buy a guitar, go to a music shop and buy something either used or new from a music shop or a pawn shop, and bring someone along with you that you trust that can help you buy your first guitar. Bring someone along who has experience that can help you. Treat buying a guitar or music instrument like you would buying a car. Would you buy a car before testing it out? Would you buy a car without first test driving it? Or have it inspected by a mechanic whom you trust? It's stupid to buy a car before test driving it. So why would you buy a guitar online without experiencing it firsthand? I've been playing guitar since the age of 15, and I have owned a few over the years that I have bought from a music shop. So I can't be fooled by anyone. I don't trust any guitar channel on YouTube. In my opinion, take everything with a grain of salt. I'm a street guy, so I can't be fooled by anyone.
Mama didn't raise no dummy. Mama didn't raise no dummy. And yeah, that's my opinion on it. It's my opinion on it. You do what you want.